Okay, guys, we are going to continue with the last part of the problems about pressure. In this example, the pressure of a box over the floor is 50 times 10 to the third power Pascal. If the box weighs 4 times to the 10 power newtons, what is the area of the base of the box? Here we have pressure equals 50 times 2 times 10 to the third power pascals. In other words, we have 50,000 of pascals. Then we have force equals 4 by 10 to the third power newtons. In other words, 4,000 newtons. And we need to obtain area. Then area equals question mark. The formula of pressure is pressure equals force over area. We need to look for area. Then this magnitude pass the other side of the equation. Here is dividing and pass the other side of the equation multiplying. Area times pressure equals force. But now we need to move pressure to the other side of the equation. Pressure is multiplying here past the other side of the equation dividing. And finally we have area in this side to obtain the value of area. Area equals 4,000 newtons over pressure 50,000 pascals. We need to eliminate these zeros and we have 0.8 newtons over pascal. We know that 1 pascal is equal newton over a square meter. Then we need to eliminate these units, and the result is 0.8 square meters of area. Remember that you need to write the result with a line around of it. That's all. Well done.